Hello friends, special leave petitions under Article 136. What are the important things that you require? There are three success mantras to succeed in the SLP litigation, which is treated as the most toughest litigations in the country because only 1 in 10,000 SLPs get admitted in the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So you have to demonstrate initially, the first point is you have to demonstrate that there is error apparent on face of the record. Whatever the judgments or the orders which you are challenging of the High Court, there has to be an error apparent on face of the record, the first condition. The second condition is there has to be a substantial amount of question of law that has arisen. That is the second question, which has to be considered by the Supreme Court. The third condition is there has to be gross miscarriage of justice. If these three things are falling in place, and if you are able to demonstrate all these three things in your special leave petition by the best in class drafting, and your counsel is arguing before the Honorable Supreme Court of India with best in class arguments, to be precise, to the point, and only on question of law and not at all on facts. No facts, my dear friends. Supreme Court is least interested in listening to the facts. Only for their understanding they might hear of one or two facts if they have any doubts, because they are not fact finding courts, and that is not the right time to decide whether which fact is correct. Facts have to be proved only in the trial courts. Relevant facts and the main the facts the on which we are relying. So all these facts you have to prove it by form of evidence in the trial courts. The constitutional courts are only bothered about the question of law. So that's all, my dear friends. Always remember the three success mantras are: number 1, error apparent on face of record; number 2, gross miscarriage of justice; substantial amount of question of law. These three things. Thank you, my dear friends.